In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Maplestory Nexon account to Steam. This is a straightforward process that should take about 5 minutes, perfect for enhancing your gameplay experience by bringing seamless connectivity between your favorite platforms. Let's dive right into it. To start, you'll want to head over to the official Maplestory Nexon website. This is where you'll manage and adjust your account settings, so navigate there using your preferred web browser. Once the page is loaded, you're going to log into your account. Use your credentials, ensuring that you enter your username and password correctly to gain access to your account dashboard. It might sound basic, but make sure your internet connection is stable to avoid any interruptions during the process. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top corner of the page where your profile name is located. Click on your profile name to reveal a drop-down menu, and from this menu, select Account Settings. This section is your central hub for managing all the linked services and accessing various features offered by Nexon. Inside the account settings, look for an option labeled Linked Account. This is where you'll manage connections between various services linked to your Nexon account. Click on it to proceed. Once there, you'll spot a button that says Link to Link Account. This feature allows you to manage connections to other services, such as Steam. Go ahead and click it. What you're doing here is essentially preparing to bridge your Nexon and Steam accounts, uniting them for a more integrated experience. Now comes the pivotal step. Locating Steam in the list of available platforms to link, you'll see it among a list of icons, so find the Steam logo and click on the associated link button. This action will prompt a new window to open, directing you to a Steam login page. At this point, a Steam sign-in prompt will appear. This is completely normal and part of the process, so simply enter your Steam account credentials. If you don't have a Steam account yet, you'll need to register for one at this stage, but assuming you already have one, just type in your username and password. Finally, after ensuring your details are accurate, click on the sign-in button. And there you have it, your Maplestory Nexon account is now successfully linked to Steam. This connection means you can enjoy a more interconnected experience accessing Maplestory through Steam with all its integrated features. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. By linking your accounts, you're unlocking a world of convenience and enhancing your gaming experiences. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides just like this one. Happy gaming!